sage saw the dead body of the boy. He went near it. The sage was tempted to enter the lifeless body of the boy. At this point, he at first wept bitterly and then laughed aloud. Then the sage discarded his old body and entered the dead body of the young boy. The boy was alive. The people were surprised as well as happy to see a dead Vishal Datta rising to life again. None knew that it was the sage. Here Betal ended his story and said, Vikram, tell me why the sage wept at first and laughed later. King Vikramaditya replied, the sage wept because he was leaving his old body. He laughed because he was thrilled to get a young body. Betal said, you are right, Vikram, but I warned you not to speak which you forgot, so I will fly away. Saying so, Betal flew away, and Vikramaditya followed him in anger at having been duped again. The Princess and the Young Man. Betal started off with a new story as usual. In the kingdom of Kusumvati lived a princess named Prabhavati. Her father was King Sadachar. One day, as the princess was strolling in the palace garden, she saw a young man sleeping there. The princess got attracted to him. She woke him up and asked him why he was sleeping in the royal garden without permission. The young man replied, I was very tired, so I decided to take rest here. I apologize for that, Your Highness. Even the young man was attracted to her. Then the young man went away from the garden. But as he walked in a hurry, he bumped his head into a tree. He fell unconscious on the ground. A while later, two Brahman Pandits, father and son, passed from there. Their names were Kranti Deva and Shanti Deva respectively. They saw the young man lying on the ground. They immediately stopped and came to his help. The two Pandits. They sprinkled some water on the young man and chanted some mantras, and soon the young man regained his consciousness and sat upright. Then Kranti Deva asked him, Who are you? What happened to you? The young man replied, I am Bhairav Datta. I hit my head against the tree and lost my consciousness. Kranti Deva then went away, but Shanti Deva stayed on. Bhairav told him about the princess. Shanti Deva offered to help Bhairav Datta attain his love. Bhairav Datta was very happy to hear this. Shanti Deva took out a pill from his bag. He gave it to Bhairav Datta and said, when you put it in your mouth, you will transform into a girl. And when you take it out, you will be yourself. But do not swallow the pill or use it for wrong purposes. Bhairav Datta was very happy to get the pill. He asked, how will I meet the princess? Shanti Deva told him the plan. The plan. Shanti Deva disguised himself as an old man. Bhairav Datta put the pill in the mouth and changed into a beautiful young girl. Then they proceeded towards the palace. Upon reaching the palace, they insisted on meeting the king. The king called them and asked, what is the matter? Shanti Deva introduced Bhairav Datta as his would-be daughter-in-law and told the king that he was going for a pilgrimage. He wanted the king to allow his would-be daughter-in-law to stay in the palace till he returned, as it was unsafe to leave her alone. Her mother-in-law had passed away. The king agreed and said that she could stay with his daughter Prabhavati. Thus Bhairav Datta started living with Prabhavati in her palace as her friend. One day, Bhairav Datta revealed his truth to her. Prabhavati was very happy. This way, when no one used to be around, Bhairav Datta used to transform himself into his original form.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.